affiliate dashboard. This is what your partners see once they join your affiliate program. So we let you customize the look and feel. You can get your own logo in there, company colors, welcome message. We keep all the stats, data, links that is going to be unique to each affiliate of yours. So a unique experience, but one that you on your end can customize, make it consistent with your own brand's look and feel. You can even put it on your own website if you would like, and I'll show you how to do that in a couple of minutes. First and foremost, what folks get is a unique affiliate link. So this is a classic affiliate link. A couple nice advantages of using LeadiKnow to power your affiliate links. One is that we are unique in that we've got direct links to your site for this. We are not redirecting folks all around the netherworld of the internet. So a much better user experience for your partner. Also going to help you out from a search engine optimization standpoint. Google's going to give you credit for these inbound links, so that is also going to be a good thing for you. Social media sharing links, easy to get that link out there. They can either hit the big copy link button and paste it onto their clipboard. From there, they can paste it into any website, blog, email, newsletter, social media channel that folks have access to, and they will get credit for anyone who clicks through. Or they can take advantage of our social media shortcut link, so making sharing really as simple as possible, as easy as hitting the Facebook share button. What that will do is it will log them into Facebook. Let me do that for you here. I have my keyboard on my mouse, so as I was clicking, nothing was happening. So I got that going for you here. If I want to share a link on Facebook, I'm an affiliate. All I need to do is hit that Facebook button, tease up a post. It's already pre-written. It looks good. It's got a picture in there. So all I really need to do from here is hit that post to Facebook button, either with my mouse, or if I am on my phone, I can do that as well with an additional tap. Twitter, same idea. Hit that tweet button, logs us into Twitter, tease up a tweet with an additional click. We can tweet this out. Friends and followers are going to, followers in terms of Twitter are going to see this post come through their tweet streams. And as they click through, tap through the tweet, credit's going to go to the affiliate who shared it. Progress updated in real time. So the number of visitors, signups, and purchases that folks got credit for. Your partners are going to be able to see that in real time. And then commissions also in the bottom line down here. These will update as we go as well. For mobile apps such as Instagram, WhatsApp, even text message link sharing, we've got mobile apps that put this dashboard directly onto their phone. So the way that this works is that your affiliates just get the affiliate dashboard app, which we publish. It is available for both Android and for iPhone devices. They get these onto their phones, and then we will give them credit for any links that they are sharing directly from their phones. You know how it goes these days. Everyone's staring at their phones all the time. So this is a nice way, not only to, I guess, I don't want to say take advantage of that, but it's a nice win-win. If folks are going to be staring at their phones, they might as well be making some money while they're doing it and getting your links out there onto their social media accounts. Our marketing materials section has things such as banner ads, infographics, so that folks can grab the HTML associated here. So copy and paste this and post it to their website, to their blog. And again, they're going to get credit for anyone who's clicking through here and ending up on their website. We have an archive of affiliate newsletters here. So we're looking at recent ones that I have sent out. These do land directly in the email inbox of your affiliates, and I'll show you how to craft and create these in a couple of minutes here. Get folks excited about things that you are talking about. I have even some templates that you could send out an email. It looks just like this. I'll show you how to do that from within LeadiKnow. Last thing I want to point out is our analytics tab. This is great for your power users, those heavy influencers who are really moving folks to your website. So when we are talking about catering to those 80-20 rule, 80% of your partners, 80% driving 20% of your traffic, and the elite maybe 10 to 20% driving about 80% of the traffic to your site. This is a great way to encourage those power users, those key influencers that we'd like to cater to. All right, let's move over into LeadiKnow itself. So I'm going to take you in here first. Any web browser will be able to get you in app.leadiknow.com. So again, you can do it from your computer, from your tablet, from your smartphone, and we've got the ability to set up our content area, take you through a few of our key tools, then we'll get into any questions that you do have. So our content area is where you can customize the affiliate website. So here's how you can go through our settings, select your color scheme, select your probably go with our mobile friendly version. So lots of options in here for you. If you want to require affiliate approval, this is one that you can toggle to on if you would like. Throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable in here. We do support custom CSS, so if you want to further style the dashboard to your heart's content, you can do it. A terms of service agreement is going to let you have your affiliates opt into a terms before they are granted access to your affiliate program. Also in the content area, the Facebook post that I showed you earlier, here's where you can write that. So when I click the share button on Facebook, here's what I had available. So when folks click this, they can get that post out there in a nice way to be able to do that. Twitter also, so when we are talking about sharing on Twitter, here we go. So we can write that tweet and get this information out there as well. What else do we got going? What else do we have? Let's go into our tools menu. So I want to show you our affiliate newsletter now. I promised that I would show you a few templates. So that newsletter that I gave you a sneak preview of earlier, that's available via our program update. So when I send out my monthly newsletters, this is exactly what I do. I go to the program update. This is something that I've already written. I've kind of stripped out specifics so that it is evergreen and a nice starting point for you. So you can just make any edits to this that you would like, sign your name to it, and you'll be off and running. And again, a great way to update folks on a monthly basis. I do tend to update the social media content as well. So I think if you get in a new Facebook post, a new tweet, that is a nice time to do it to reward the people who are reading your newsletter, who are actively engaged, and who really are enthusiastic about sharing. Automated affiliate emails. These are nice because they will go out based on certain events. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up with you, we can send them this welcome email. It has their affiliate link. It has a link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's got everything that they need to get up and running to join your affiliate program. We also have some automated emails in here where we can do a weekly status, let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, leads, and purchases that they each got credit for. And we can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase with an individual email here as well. All right, moving on to affiliate recruitment. So we got a couple of angles here, and then we'll get into questions. So if you do have questions, this is a good time to start thinking about them, type them in. I will get to those in a couple of minutes. Let me start with our organic affiliate recruitment. We will go into our affiliate invitation email. This is a nice way to recruit, reach out to your customers as they buy from you and invite these folks to join your affiliate program. So it's a nice way to get a 2-for-1. You got a new customer. We want to see if we can turn that person into a new affiliate of yours at the same time. Not much you need to do beyond enabling this email. Sign your name to it, you'd be off and running. And to be honest, it's been a big secret of our own affiliate growth. You can see we've got over 2,384, but the next line here will show you only 24, well, only one in the last day, but 24 in the last week. That's what we're all about, just recruiting new people all the time. So from your current network, from your current partner list, people who you're talking to already, that's a good way to do it. We also have from our affiliate sign-up page, the dashboard, when you log out, it is a sign-up page. So it's a nice little opt-in form, and you'll want to link to this from your website. Of course, you can put it on your website, blog, social media channels, again, email, newsletter, drive folks here so they can sign up for your program. And then last, but certainly not least, maybe most exciting, we have an affiliate network. So we will get you listed, featured in a newsletter if you'd like, where we brag about your product and especially talk about your affiliate program. We have 21 different product categories in the network. You can see these down on the left side, and then we will get you set up with a product listing where we will talk about your product and talk about your affiliate program. Folks can click the apply button. They can do it direct from their newsletters. We get it on our Facebook page, so doing a lot of work to get your program in front of relevant influencers. All right, let's get into questions now. I'll give you a few, about a half minute to type in anything that you have. As you do that, let me show you how to get a hold of us for additional support. So phone, email, live chat, it is going to be available 7 days a week, actually all day during the work week. If you want to schedule a one-on-one phone call, that link is going to be here. So I will drop this into the chat window for you. So LeadiKnow.com/support. LeadiKnow.com/contact to get a hold of us. If you have follow-up questions for me, Brett@LeadiKnow.com goes back to me. So it looks like everyone's good or thinking about things today. So I will let you go. Follow-up questions, get a hold of us here. Otherwise, I thank you for joining. So hope it was helpful today. Stay in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program launch. I do have a question for someone. Is this recorded? So yes, as mentioned at the outset, we will get you a recording of this. We record our daily sessions also on our YouTube channel. Let me get you this link. So if you would like to get a hold of a recent recording, you'll watch one from last week. If you have some time now, you can do that. And then I'll get you an email later with a recording from this session. All pretty similar. The questions and answers do vary, and I'll often take questions throughout, so that'll each session will vary a little bit depending on the attendees there, but otherwise we've got everything going here. Question, is the dashboard embeddable on our website? So yes. So the way to get the dashboard onto your website, I will send you the instructions how to do it, but from within LeadiKnow and then our content section where we were, I kind of glossed over it. I was on the page from our affiliate website. You can put it on your own domain. So we've got the ability to put it on your own website, so you can get it right over there. And then from our docs page, let me show you the full steps that we have to get the affiliate dashboard on your own website. Get this out to you here. Okay, I should have let me send the YouTube clip to the person who actually asked the question, to Catherine here. I'll send these links out to everyone, so you can all grab these. Can we go over about recruiting affiliates from certain bloggers? Sure. So are you looking to partner with bloggers? If that's what we're looking to do, I'm more than happy to share my tips on how to do that. So what I generally do for direct affiliate recruitment, let's say, if you give me an example, I can do a little hot seat on the type of product, type of bloggers you're looking for. Let's say we've got a clothing. I'm gonna go to clothing because that's a very popular category. We've got a women's clothing line, women's fashion line. So I'm looking for, let's see, what was my demographic? Women. I'm gonna say new mother. I'm gonna say, ergonomic pillows. Okay, good. All right, ergonomic pillows. So who are we looking for in ergonomic pillows? We might be looking for health related, I am guessing here. So health bloggers, health sleep experts. So let me just do a quick search. Health sleep experts blog. Okay, so we've got sleep disorder blog. Okay, here we go. Best sleep disorder blogs of the year. I'm guessing this might be a good way for us to look at. So Insomnia Land, Martin Reed, looks like he'd be a good guy to talk to. The Sleep Lady. So these are all going to be good folks to talk to. So I'm going to go ahead. Let me go to Martin's blog, Insomnia Land. What I want to do is I want to talk to Martin, so I can go contact him. And now here's the trick. So we've got a little form. This is pretty common. You want to say that, obviously you want Martin. We want Martin as an affiliate of yours. We want Insomnia Land to be an affiliate of your ergonomic pillows. A great way to get his attention on the contact form would be to also ask Martin for a media kit. And that kind of infers that you're willing to buy advertising. Whether you would like to buy advertising in addition to making him an affiliate, I will leave that choice to you. That's just kind of my personal tip to you of being a good way to get attention from Martin. So I would do that. I would go to the Sleep Lady, Kim West, and I would say, hey, Kim, do you have a media kit here that we can, I would love to review, and then you can talk to Kim about being an affiliate of yours. So that's how I would go about that. So that's a kind of an endless possibility. I just did one search and came up with these 10 potential blogs, and then these are the types of folks that you're going to want to contact. They're all doing it because they want to help people sleep better. They're also always a constant challenge on their end to make money from what they do. So if they find your pillows to be a good fit, this is a great opportunity. And I would say this strategy goes for anything that you're selling. Find the top blogs out there, and then you can approach these people as influencers of yours. Okay, I do have an entire webinar on that topic as well, where I did a bunch of those hot seats. Let me see if I can find it. It was how to recruit affiliates. Let me see if I can find it for you. If not, okay. So here's a little tip. We did it a few years ago. The principles are still as relevant today as back then. So I would look at that. Let me send you this list of the blogs that I might look at as well if you want to do this. All right. So I hope that was helpful. Looks like we're good on questions as well now. So I'll let everyone go. And if you have a follow-ups, links to that video. So yeah, let me get you the link to the video. So I will get it in the, should get it on the reply all here. But if you need anything on the follow-up, reply to Brett at LeadiKnow. That'll go back to me. I can help you out with any specifics, or anyone here can find me, or I can find anyone who you need help with. Otherwise, we'll let you go. So have a great rest of your Tuesday. Thanks for joining me on this, again, this first webcast after Labor Day. Great week ahead. We've got folks on all week and including the weekend, so here to help you out. Wish you the best. Keep in touch. Let us know how we can help with your affiliate program launch, any aspect of it. We are happy to help us. So thanks again, and hope to talk to everyone soon.